friends, I am Sheetal and welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. Everything we see today, everything with an aesthetic value is the result of meticulous planning and design. It is impossible to deny that the field of design will expand exponentially in the coming years. This will definitely increase the demand of qualified designers in the coming time. So if you want to pursue a career in the field of design, then a Bachelor of Design degree may be the best way to break into the fashion and design industry. And if you want to have an insight of B.Design course, keep watching this video till the very end, as I am going to tell you about the minute details of the course with help of this video. By the end of the video, you will definitely have answers to most of the questions regarding the courses, like what exactly B.Des course is, what are the required eligibility conditions to join B.Des course, what are the skills required to do B.Des course successfully, what is the course curriculum or syllabus of B.Des course, how to join B.Des course, what is the fee structure of B.Des course, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after completion of B.Des courses, what is the expected salary or pay package after doing B.Des degree, which are the top recruiters of B.Des degree holders, and much more. So guys, let us start with a very basic question, and that question is, what exactly the B.Des course is? Bachelor of Design, abbreviated as B.Des course, is a 4-year bachelor degree program that focuses on the processes of design applied to the products that are to be manufactured through techniques of mass production. Bachelor of Design is a professional course to study different aspects and disciplines of design, as design industry in India is blooming at a fast pace. Therefore, a large number of design professionals are required for the same. Bachelor of Design course offers a rich combination of experiences in imaginative creativity, the humanity and the sciences. Now you would like to know about the eligibility conditions required to join B.Des course. As far as educational qualification is concerned, the aspiring candidates must have done 10+2 in any stream from a recognized university to seek admission to Bachelor of Design program. However, some reputed institute may demand certain minimum percentage of marks at this level that can be anywhere between 50% to 60% for general category candidates, with 5% to 10% relaxation of marks for reserved category candidates. Along with fulfilling these eligibility conditions, you must have certain set of required skills to be able to do B.Des course, like, as you all know that the designing is all about creativity, so the foremost requirement for an aspiring B.Design candidate is a whole lot of creative and imaginative skills. As a designer is supposed to express his creative skills in black and white, he or she should be an expert in drawing things which reflect what's within your thoughts and mind for telling people. Keen observation skills, strong communication skills and analytical skills are the next best characteristics that a B.Des candidate must possess to keep him or herself aware of the latest happenings in the designing world. Ability to work in a team for long hours under tight deadlines are must for doing this course successfully. Above all, you must have strong communication skills, knowledge and awareness of latest and upcoming trends, self-confidence, time management ability and decision-making skills to become a successful designer. If you are really looking to do B.Des course, then the knowledge of B.Des admission process is a must. So I would like to tell you that there are two possible ways of getting admission to B.Design course of various design institutes across India. The first way of getting admission to this course is on the basis of merit list prepared according to the marks secured by you in your 12th class. The second way that is adopted by most of the reputed design institute is through the rank obtained in the entrance exam conducted at institute, state or national level, followed by group discussion, personal interview, etc. Hence, the admission process may vary from institute to institute. Some of the popular B.Des entrance exam you can take to get admission in some of the reputed designing institutes of India are Undergraduate Common Entrance Examination for Design, All India Entrance Examination for Design, National Institute of Design Admission Test, Gonka University Design Aptitude Test, United World Institute of Design Aptitude Test, UPS Design Aptitude Test, Pearl Academy Entrance Exam, and NIFT Entrance Exam, that is, National Institute of Fashion Technology Entrance Examination. Now you would like to know the syllabus of B.Des course. Before telling you about the syllabus, I would like to clear one thing, that B.Des syllabus might differ a bit from institute to institute depending upon the specialization the institute is providing. However, generally the B.Des Semester 1 will consist of subjects like Communication Studies in Design, Design Sketching, Elements of Design, Introduction to Design, Material Studies in Design, Rendering and Illustration, and Technical Design Drawing. B.Des Semester 2 consists of subjects like Applied Mechanics for Design, Electrical and Electronic Studies in Design, Form Studies, Fundamentals of Computing in Design, Principles of Design, and Physical Ergonomics. B.Des Semester 3 usually consists of subjects like Architectural Studies in Design 1, Cyber Security, Communication Studies in Design 2, Design Documentation, Model Making and Hand Tool Workshop, Simple Product Design, Model Making and Hand Tool Workshop, Simple Product Design, Surface Modeling in Computer-Aided Vision, Universal Human Values and Professional Ethics, and Design Project 1. In B.Des Semester 4, you study subjects like Design Thinking, Design Project 2, Display and Control Design, Design Management 1, Consumer Psychology, Environmental Science, English Language and Technical Writing, Nature and Form, and Solid Modeling in Computer Aiding Design. Whereas, B.Des Semester 5 consists of subjects like Architectural Studies 2, Business Communication, Creative Narration, Connectivity and Mobility, Design Management 1, Design Research and Methodology 1, Software User Interface Design, Quantitative Research, Elective 1 and Elective 2, Design Workshop, and Design Project 3. In B.Des Semester 6, you usually study subjects like Applied Statistics and Infographics, Control System in Design, Design Research and Methodology 2, Materials and Processes in Design 1, Product Branding and Identity, Unconventional Manufacturing, Elective 3 and Elective 4, and Design Product 4. In B.Des Semester 7, you study subjects like Design Documentation 2, Form in 4 Dimension, Material and Processes in Design 2, Production Planning, Professional Practice in Design, Industrial Training, Elective 5 and Design Project 5. And finally, B.Des Semester 8 consists of Design Degree Project. Now you would like to know about the fee structure of B.Des course. The fee structure for B.Des course vary greatly depending upon the genre and reputation of the design institute. Like in a government designing college, the average course fee of B.Des can be anything between Rs 3 lakhs to Rs 6 lakhs, whereas the course fee for the same in private design institute can be as high as Rs 12 lakh. Now let me tell you about some of the best B.Des institutes in India. If you are looking for some of the best government B.Des institutes, then you can go for Northern Indian Institute of Fashion Technology, Mohali, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Mumbai, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Delhi, and National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. And if you want to join some of the best private B.Des institutes, then you can go for International Institute of Fashion Technology, Chandigarh, G.D. Gonka University, Pearl Academy, United World Institute of Design, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun, and Symbiosis Institute of Design, Pune. Now I would like to tell you about some of the career prospects and job opportunities after doing B.Des course. After completion of B.Des program, there are whole lots of job opportunities available in both private as well as government sector. Like you can get employment in boutiques, fashion malls, film production houses, corporate houses, furniture, jewelry and accessory designing and manufacturing units, design production management, and other such enterprises where there is need of any kind of designing or creativity. You can also opt for teaching jobs in various reputed designing institutions of the country. Some of the job roles that you can get may include art director, apparel designer, brand manager, design director, fashion director, fashion designer, graphic designer, stylist, set director, textile and surface developer, and quality controller for fabric and apparel, etc. You can also open your own venture and start career as an entrepreneur. Now the most eagerly asked question, and that question is, what are the expected pay packages or salary after doing B.Des course? The average starting salary of a B.Des graduate can vary somewhere between Rs 3 lakhs to Rs 5 lakhs annually. However, one who has relevant industry experience and skills can earn up to 12 lakhs annually. The salaries may vary greatly depending upon one's experience and reputation in the field, and there is certainly no upper limits of earning for the best in the lot. I can ensure you that if you have passion for creativity and an aptitude for design, you can pursue a Bachelor's of Design degree and earn in lakhs. So guys, this is all about Bachelor of Design course. I hope you like this video. If it is really so, please hit the like button. For getting regular notification, please hit the bell icon. We'll be back with more videos on such informative topics. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you for watching.